lie in bed at night and wonder how many times you've actually hit a hammer?
Now that I've been real, they know that I cannot face shit. Funny, none of this makes sense. Now that I'm up with an A-list.
Right, we're on site. Some say he's the fastest man with a Brummie accent. Some also say his name is Dave. I'm here to do his garage.
I'm looking for real shit, the things that my money can't buy. They don't understand how the shit goes. How they all use it, the switch goes. How they all speed when they need some.
You're like a modern day Spider-Man, you, bro.
Look at that, have a word. Look, it's got a hole in my old trackies now, look. Jesus. Dave, what are you doing to me?
Oh, mate, you got really screwed up then.
Hey.
Adam, you won't believe this. I've just had a message from Harry here saying he's been in the gym.
No. He's with a person called Jim. Harry don't do gym. If he's at the gym, he's just getting a posh coffee. There's no way he's actually doing gym. The old governor's popped in for a little look around his new gaff. There he is, old Turbo.
Turbo!
What do you reckon, mate? Eh? No, there's got to be two here. Look.
Mate, there's no way Turbo's gone from there to there.
Turbo, you jumping up on me like that.
Him.
You cheeky little sod. Right? Right, flooring's all done. One happy customer. Once again. I ain't got a clue what I'm saying, man. I literally don't know what to say.
Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told them last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text. From way downtown, but the shit's still wet. Yeah, that's a guarantee. King of the city, man, they knowing that it's me. Ain't damn near still doing it with ease. Cause it ain't that hard when I'm talking about me. Me and my funds. Told them I get what I want. I need my money up front. I do not do this for fun. So I've been here my whole life, I ain't seen them here once. Told them I ain't playing, they don't wanna get hurt, dog. It's about time I just show them how it works. I've seen them in the shit, but now they all worse off. I ain't in a race.
Right, so we've just arrived at Moto 101, which is a motocross track in Lincolnshire. We're here today to do their new office, shop and workshop, so stay tuned. We're going to show you what we're up to and which styles we're using.
Dog, took a step back, if they ain't in the game now. It was moving slow, so I had to find a pace now. All they trying to talk, not the time or the place now. Coming for the pot and I got a pocket ace now. Sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told them last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text.
So we've just come upstairs to what's going to be the office. So we've had to bring all the tiles up the ladder, and we're going to start laying the tiles up here as well.
Yeah. What's up? Got them running scared. I'm a big bad wolf, and I heard the same shit, dog. It's really getting old. Got so many hundreds that I can't get it to fold, and I'm only speaking facts, just the truth is being told. Got them running scared. I'm a big bad wolf, who I never see the silver lining, only see the gold. I don't speak in caps, dog. Everything bold, and I put that on myself, cause it's a life that I done chose. I said come through, you can see me on the west side. Now it's funny how they walking with their chest tied. Ooh, I heard him talking numbers, but he just lied. Thought I told him that's the shit that I can't let slide. You gon' make me say it again. Do this shit for my family, I seen them do it for trends. I done told too many girls that we better as friends. I done told too many men we can't make no amends, and that's facts. Got them running scared, I'm a big bad wolf, and I heard the same shit, dog, it's really getting old. Got so many hundreds that I can't get it to fold, and I'm only speaking facts, just the truth is being told. Got them running scared, I'm a big bad wolf, who I never see the silver lining, only see the gold. I don't speak in caps, dog, everything bold, and I put that on myself, cause it's a life that I done chose. Way I'm moving, I don't see them in a way. Way they talking, I'm not hearing what they say.
So you got to give them a little bit of a love tap to make sure they're working, yeah. Yeah, that's what it is, yeah. Activate.
We are in Waltham Abbey. We're doing a job for Big Time Graphics. We're going black with a grey border. yeah, see how we get on.
With the old box flipper.
It'll take me 4 months.
I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase. I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan 1s, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase. That's the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma get it anyways. All I do is work, I got this money on my brain. I don't like to talk, I just got way too much to say. They been tryna get me, I'ma get them out of the way. I said I'ma do it.
So you know when garage style have had a good month?
No brooms.
When I get the new brooms. Sheesh. Oh mate, the bristles on that.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Look at that.
Good, that's the problem.
Look at that. Christ.
So the job's done. Finished the floor up with the PVC skirting. It's a pretty straightforward job, nice straight walls and yeah, decent install.
If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase. I don't think they running at my pace.